Good day everyone, this is me again Hart for another video. And for today, we're going to talk about living without restriction. And this is from the book of Ryan Holiday, which is The Daily Stoic. So I will read the quote that Ryan Holiday inserted for this day. It is from Epictetus' Discourses. The quote goes, "The unrestricted person who has in hand what they will in all events is free. But anyone who can be restricted, coerced, or pushed into something against what they will is a slave." So, the topic that Ryan Holiday discussed in this part of the book is all about being rich or being famous. And it's easy to look at those people who are rich and famous already and see what see their possessions, the things that they can buy, and the freedom that they have. Yet, we do not consider to think about what are the things that they are willing to give up in order for them to accumulate all of those possessions and all of the things that they have. And not all rich and famous people are doing it through the right and just way or ethical way. If they are on the other side of doing it or becoming famous in another way, which is the bad way or the negative way, they are not a they're not having the freedom that they have. Rather, they are a slave to their richness or being famous or their status. Because I think or I agree with Ryan Holiday that we should ask ourselves, if we want to become famous and rich, do we want to achieve it doing it in the right way, or doing it just because, or doing it in a negative way, or not really understanding or doing it in a good way. So what what Ryan Holiday has also added is that take a look at some of the most powerful, rich, and famous people in the world. Ignore the trappings of their success and what they're able to buy. Look instead at what they're forced to trade in return. Look at what success has cost them. So he's not just talking about the negative side or positive and negative side of being rich and famous. He is also asking us to look at the cost of success. So it's easy to really see the external things or the external part of these rich and famous people. But it's hard to question or to adapt their ways on how they got there. So if you're like me, who is still on the progress of attaining that goal of becoming wealthy, not necessarily becoming famous, but wealthy or rich, that you can afford the things that you want and do not worry about the expenses or the amount of a certain thing before buying it, then we should try to really ask ourselves, are we willing to trade these things so that we could reach that success? Are we willing to trade our time, the time we spent with our family, the time for ourselves to have this relaxation or have this delayed gratification in order for us to achieve that? Or do we want it the easy way of doing the bad things and easily get that tons of money by doing it in a bad way? So I think what we should really be looking at is doing it in the right way. And nothing feels better than attaining something, working hard on it in an ethical way and moral way, than doing it the other way around. So if you have any feedback or comments about this video, you can comment down on the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video and if you want more wisdom coming right at you, then you can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.